Here's a mental math problem that you're going to be doing something related to one of the other things that we've been doing. Just like that earlier video where I said you won't have to actually do this on a test or anything like that, but we're going to show you how to do it so that you know that this is possible to do with numbers, okay? And what does this look like? Well, 42 is just 40 plus 2, okay? That first number. And 38 is just 40 minus 2. And you might be able to recognize that as like this situation that we had before. The same binomials are the same terms in it. You've got this term's the same and this term's the same. You've got this term's the same and this term's the same. And then they have different signs between them. Okay? So what do? This is called the difference of two squares. And what we do is we say 40 times 40, 1600. And then 2 times 2 is 4, and we subtract them. And this one's actually, because it's so easy, unlike the other one where we had to get, multiply this times this and double it for the middle term. With this particular situation, you don't actually have to do that. You just get two numbers, right? This squared minus this squared. And that makes it really easy to do in your head. So this is a great one for mental math, and this is one that I actually use personally whenever I come across an incident where it works. Okay, so 1600 minus 4, 1596. We're going to do that again for the rest of them, okay? For 33, 63 is just 60 plus 3, and 57 is just 60 minus 3. They're both 3 away from 60. So you square 60, 3,600. You square 3 to get 9, and you subtract between them. And what you then get is 3,591. Nice. Let's do it one more time. 303 and 297. They are both 3 away from 300. So this is 300 plus 3, 303. And this one is 300 minus 3, 297. So we square 300. 3 times 3 is 9. We've got to put 4 zeros on it. 90,000. And we square 3. 3 times 3 is 9. And they're always subtraction in between them. They call it the difference of two squares. Difference is the answer to a subtraction problem. And then what's 90,000 minus 9? Well, it is 89,991. That's your answer. And you could see why I gave you so many problems for homework tonight, just because they're so easy.